As you can see, I bought two access points. Okay, each one covers about 1,500 square feet. Our house is about 2,000 square feet, so that's why we need to buy two of these. I also bought a switch. I'll kind of get into the reason behind that later. But this is kind of like an unboxing to show you what you get with this. And I also bought some Ethernet cables. So let's go ahead. We'll open it up and see what we have. It's very simple in the design. It does look very sleek and modern. If you look at it, it looks like a little white hockey puck. So right there you see you have like a input and an output basically on your Ethernet cables. So internet going in and one coming out. That's why I bought the switch, because if you want to hook up a lot of devices hardwired, you're going to need that switch. Okay, so I bought a Netgear switch. You can see that comes with directions, warranty information, okay, the power outlet, and all of that stuff. It also comes with a nice Ethernet cable. Alright, so what I'm going to do is I'll hook it up and hopefully we can see how well it actually performs. My old system was a Linksys, so let's go ahead and see how this does. So we're using speedtest.net. So this is what I like to see, some fast blazing internet speeds. So as you can see here, 198 megabits per second download speed, which is very good, very close to what we're paying for. We're paying for 200, so 198 is good enough. And then if you look here, the uploaded speed is about 16. Alright, those